Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every weekday morning at 8 o'clock and Saturdays at 9, I come and start our day with a little crafting, creativity, and fun. This morning, we are using the Boho Indigo Suite, which is what we've been using all week long. And we're going to create this very simple, very sweet masculine card. I'm using the Boho Indigo stamp set with the sentiment that says, "A bunch of birthday love to you." Now, I made this with a card with that sentiment yesterday, but I realized, one, I really like the pop of color. Yesterday I used Magenta Madness, and today we're making a masculine card using Granny Apple Green. Now, Granny Apple Green, when it first came out, was one of my all-time favorites, and I haven't used it for a while. So we're going to do this. I saw this sketch. It popped up in my Pinterest feed, and I had to do it. I think I saw it over on Brian King's website. But I love how he took just a basic rectangular layer like we usually do, and then added a very cool focal point with this off-center belly band. Okay, yesterday I did a belly band straight across. Today we're angling it. All right, so let's get started. I don't have very many masculine birthday cards in my stash right now. And with my dad's birthday coming up at the end of the month, I thought maybe I should do some replenishing. So I have a piece of gray granite cut at 4 1/4 by 11 and scored at 5 1/2. Now all measurements, as usual, can be found over on my blog later this morning at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. So I have some pieces here, and we're going to start with this. I have a piece of Night of Navy, which measures 4 7/8 by 3 3/8, and a piece of the Boho Indigo Designer Series paper, which is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. That's a lot of math to remember this early in the morning, so don't even try. Just pop over to the blog, okay? So I like this design. Again, it reminds me of my Stampin' Up! Incentive trip to Greece last year. Very geometric, very nice and linear. And I'm going to use that, as the, come on, here we go, basis, oh, seriously? Of my card. Masculine cards have nice, clean, crisp lines. And so this pattern is perfect. Okay, let's see if I can line that up without getting my head in the picture. Okay. I'm going to set that aside for a minute, and I'm going to bring in some strips. This is 1 1/2 by 5. This is 3/4 by 5, and this, 7/8. 7/8 of an inch by 5, and this is 3/4 by 5. Okay, now these are too long, and we're going to trim them later, but I like to start with a little longer than necessary. Okay, and I'm just going to run some seal down, and I'm going to take this Night of Navy and line it up right here at the very, very edge, and it's only 1/8 of an inch, so take your time. And get that down, and then I'm going to layer that again on the Granny Apple Green. So run a strip of seal down the back, line it up on the left-hand side, just like that, okay? And if you want, take your bone folder, okay? Next, on this layer, I'm just going to lay it on top. See how it angles like that? And I'm going to make sure that I leave enough on the left-hand side and the right-hand side so that I can trim it, okay? 1 or 2 strips of seal, maybe 3, okay? Angle it the way you like, lay it down, okay? And that looks terrible, right? Turn it over, snip off, whoops, there's a little adhesive there, so I'm gonna grab my sticky adhesive snips. Okay, and this is, you're cutting through 3 thick layers of cardstock, so just take your time. Don't get your card. I said that, I did it this morning. Okay, now, once you cut off those offending pieces, doesn't that look better? It's amazing. Okay, we're gonna add that to our gray granite card base. Okay, like so. Then I have a piece of Whisper White. No, it's not. I'm sorry. It's Very Vanilla. It's cut to the same dimensions as my Night of Navy, so 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. And I'm just going to put this on the inside. Adding that inside layer is going to make it a little bit easier to add our sentiment or add, you know, our little note to our guy who's having a birthday. Okay, now to finish, I have some Night of Navy and Very Vanilla layering circles, and I'm going to stamp my birthday greeting in Night of Navy. Give it a test. And you don't really have to worry if it's straight or not because it's a circle. I use circles for that very reason. Now, I'm going to show you. I'm going to layer that here, and I'm going to put that there. Now that makes it very nice, but some of us need to add just a little bit more, okay? Because I'm not putting any ribbon, I'm not putting any embellishment. It's a masculine card, all right? However, there is one tiny stamp. If you feel you have to add just something else, there's one tiny stamp in this stamp set, and it looks like this. Okay, it's not a floral, it's just a little geometric spray. It looks like leaves. Leaves are okay. And I'm going to take the same colors in Granny Apple Green. Okay, you can see I was playing with it earlier. Okay, and I'm just going to stamp one time. The key to a masculine card is less is more. Okay, we don't want it to be frilly. I know it's so hard. It's really, really hard because I'm looking at this card this morning thinking, oh, I could color some pearls in Granny Apple Green. I could, no. You could, but you're not going to, okay? Now, I'm going to add this here, and I kind of like it offset. Oh my goodness. Oh, my dog scared me. What are you talking about? Wow. Okay, so here in the middle, but I kind of like it a little offset, okay? Maybe your guy is kind of quirky. Okay, one on the top, one on the bottom. And the only reason I'm doing that is because we've now got 3 layers here. It would make it look a little bumpy. So I'm gonna put it right here. And we're done. That quick, that simple. You've always got time for a quick masculine card. And sometimes that's all the time we have, and that is okay. So I'm gonna go find out what my dogs are barking at. And I wish you a very happy day. And I will see you Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday, but you know what? I'm gonna take the day off. Every once in a while, we just need to refresh and rejuvenate. So I'm taking the day off from making a video, but I'll be back with you on Saturday, all right? Oh, don't forget, Paper Pumpkin, guys. Okay, Paper Pumpkin tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day to sign up for the July one. Fireflies and fireworks. I absolutely can't wait. I think we need to have a party. Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. No, Saturday. Bye-bye.